Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Beth and I are here. You can see she is stirring the bacon here. We take a normal package of bacon, 1 kilo, cut it in half, and do about half. And we're going to have Mexican taco breakfast. And kind of show you how to do it here. She's about ready to add the eggs.
Yep. Wow. Yeah, delicious.
And I told her when you add the eggs, you leave it sit a little bit, but it really requires that you constantly keep stirring it so the eggs don't burn, and they'll burn pretty fast.
We need to add a pechay here.
No, that's fine. That's fine, just like that.
You know what I mean there on that when you wrap to the taco?
No. I'll show you how the Mexicans do it.
Mix.
I worked for a couple years at a foundry in the United States, and actually we were making the parts for Mercury outboard motors. That is actually the motor that's hooked up to the boats and that. In the process, I worked with a lot of Mexican laborers at the time, and of course they brought their food into the lunchroom and everything else, and like treating me with food and that. I guess they could surprise me and everything. Like the first time I had a very hot chili pepper. They all thought it was a big joke. But in the process, I also learned to like tacos, and especially the soft shell and that. And we use bread for our sandwiches. They don't, very little. They use the taco shells if they want to make any type of a sandwich. Like you saw me a couple days ago, actually put meat and cheese in a soft taco shell, then roll it up, and kind of a sandwich, and they call it a wrap. This is a typical Mexican breakfast and that, and yeah, we need to let it cook a little more, and it's so easy to burn it. Just keep stirring it. She'll be done here pretty shortly.
I forgot to add pepper.
Well, yeah, I should probably add a little salt and pepper to it.
No pepper, the bell pepper.
Oh, well, yeah. And we also grew some hot peppers here last year, and then after we dried them out, we ground them up and that, and we add that to some of our stuff here. We got it stored in a jar, and we add that as seasoning to some of our stuff too, for the hot peppers.
So sore now my hands, Daile.
So that looks pretty much done. If you want to take the camera here,
Yeah, camera.
I will.
Substitute.
I will kind of finish up here. In the meantime, I'm going to get this out of the refrigerator, and we'll move around here.
You turn off the fire now. Yeah.
There, we got this off. If I can find a hot pad
You should say that one, guys.
to put it on here,
Yeah,
and
delicious.
kind of get everything out of the way here.
But you need to reheat that. The taco.
And that. Oh, you were doing. This is going to be plenty warm. So we'll put this on the table along with our tacos.
Here's your plate. Smells good.
Okay. And what we actually do is, like I said, this is fairly hot, so it's going to be hot. And like I said, this is a typical, except the Mexicans put hot peppers in here. Like I said, their mouth is so burnt they can't. They basically told me they had to laugh because when they eat American food, they can't taste nothing.
Wow.
Because their taste buds in their mouth are so burnt from eating all the hot peppers and that. And
yeah, different appetizer.
yeah, and of course we go back to the salsa here. Add a little salsa, and of course this again is a favorite and actually more Mexican than American. And the Americans have kind of taken over the salsa industry. And like before, you roll this up, and there what you'd have to be is a Mexican taco breakfast.
Let's eat. Good.
Very good. Very good.
This is our breakfast, guys. A late breakfast.
I do. This is not a promo for Tostitos. I'm not getting paid anything to say what I'm about to say, but their chunky salsa medium is excellent. It is really good. It's I'm trying to see where this is actually made. In the course of my eyesight, I can't quite make it out, but it's a very good salsa.
Wow.
Very good. And of course, our cat. I'm gonna try to get some here on the table.
You make mid-island and fall on the bottom so it won't wrap. There is
what you actually need is a long toothpicks to stick through her, that when you make them, they won't unwrap. But again, just kind of fill the taco up. You don't have to put a lot of the salsa in, but it really
because I don't like spicy.
It adds some flavor to it.
You didn't know, see, you're dropping.
And that, and there you got it. And I dropped a little bit here, and that's okay. It'll go in another one.
Here, give me that. That's mine.
And as I turn and finish mine here, I'm going to say goodbye. We're having a good breakfast here. Just something else for all of our viewers to think about. A little bit different breakfast, but very good breakfast in that. So goodbye for now. Enjoy, like, and subscribe, and we'll be back with you again soon.